What if an alien species arrived on Earth and we urgently needed to communicate with them? What if a rock were discovered on the bottom of the ocean that contained the key to decoding the ancient civilization of Atlantis and our hidden history? Are these the daily tasks of linguists and language scientists? Well, no, although they might be very exciting. These hidden keys and mysteries of the ancient past, or perhaps the distant future, are not what occupy us. We have plenty of mysteries that occupy us in the present. The mysteries of how it is that children acquire languages so effortlessly. Even if they have parents who speak two vastly different languages, how do they manage to keep them separate and build grammars within their head that contain just the right mix of mistakes? What are the mistakes that children never make when learning languages? What is the relationship of language and linguistics to biology, to evolution, and to computer science? These are the daily puzzles that constitute linguistics and the language sciences. Hello, I'm Andrew Nevins of University College London, UCL, Professor of Language Sciences, and welcome to First Lecture on the Language Sciences.